Hello guys, welcome to Crystal Budgets. I've missed you guys. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for being here, and please consider unsubscribing as I am trying to get 500 subscribers. And of course, yeah, thank you so much to my new subscribers. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate you all for subscribing to my channel. So yeah, it's been a while, and I really missed you guys kasi I've been busy in our mga school requirements, and I just did our final demo, which is sobrang gasto. And yeah, so okay naman naging resulta ng final demo, and then at ngayon is yeah, nadagdagan na naman yung mga utang namin kasi right na walang work ang husband ko. Natanggal siya sa trabaho, at ngayon nasa bahay na lang siya nagkukumpuni ng mga sirang motor. And then, so yun, yung income namin ngayon is not stable, and then marami pang gastusin, 'di ba? Hindi talaga ako nakapag-save ng bongga para sa mga gastusin ko sa this coming graduation, 'di ba? And of course, yeah. So I'm filming this around 5 a.m. to this Wednesday. So please bear with me with my voice kasi medyo, kagigising ko lang. Alright, so for today guys, we will be cash stuffing um, a total of 150, 250, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 85, 1, 285 peso. By the way, may sobra nga pala ako dun sa aking token for my final demo kasi apat lang yung nag-attend, and then so may sobra ako. May sobra ako. Ito yung sobra. Hindi ako familiar sa amoy niya, pero kaya lang, maganda siya. Ayan. Okay, let's start. Okay. So, we will be doing the mini savings challenge. Okay, ito yung mga savings challenge na gagawin natin. 1, 2, 3. Yan, wala na akong space. 4, 5, 6. Yan. Okay, so ito na natin. This little piggy from Sincerely Roxy, $1 savings challenge from Little Helpful Files, and this is my creation. And then Panty Panda Corn from Hands and Bands, Bounce into Saving with Tiger by Wendy Casper, and School by Roe Budgets. Right, let's start. Have two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another two. Again, no, let's roll. 5, 6, 6 as well. Okay, for 10. Let's see if I can condense this. Kasi talagang, yeah, we can actually condense this one. Let me just pull from this. Okay, let me condense the 20. Okay, 2 as well. Bakit laging 2? 6, 4. 4, Buenas ang 2 ngayon. Ilagay natin yung 50. 1. Yan. 5. 5 will be here. I think this is completed. Yeah. Let's just stop right there. And then this one is completed now, I think. And we can color. I have 50. Then we can actually color. So I only need 10 pesos here. Let's get my color. I have 10. A 2. Oh no. 4. 6. 8. And 10. Yeah, and we've completed this one. We only need 10. So I think, okay, let's see. So I should have 1 to 40 pesos. We'll pull this out and we'll be back here. This will be back here. 10, 25, 8, 28. So we only have 40 pesos. We only need 40 pesos here. We'll just add 50 pesos here. And so Wendy Casper is done. And then now that we have completed Wendy Casper's Tiger savings, we will add my savings. This is a rainy day. So for this one, it's gonna be 5 pesos each. 5 pesos each. Actually, right. Alright, so let's see. I think ito is tapos na ako. 15. I only need 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 18. No, still not. Okay, we will continue. Okay. I want 1 as 3 and 6. 3, yes, thank you. Let's add a bigger number. No, let's add a 10. Okay, 5, 1. I think this little piggy is completed. Let's just check. Hmm. I still can't do this little piggy, so we will just move on. 6. 6, 2. Okay, I believe this is complete. Let me see. I need 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 19. So I have already 22 here. So let's just follow this. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Ano? Mayroon. Wala na ako. Let me just so I'll be adding 19 plus. So I have here 22. Okay. I'll be putting back this 2 and then let me see if I can get a 1. No. So, so I should have so we have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 times 3, 30 times, I should have 60. So 20, 30, 45, 55, 7, 59, 60. Yeah, 60. And you know what? I think I can condense this so we can go on with our dice game. So we will be putting back 60. Just leave a 10 here. Then put this one here. And then we can continue with our game. So yeah. I apologize if it is kind of messy because we have a kind of condensing as well as okay. So now since I have I will not be adding another challenge for now. It's just so I can focus on this 5. Okay, so if I roll number 2, I will can choose which challenge I'm gonna add the money, right? Okay, let's move on. 2. So 2 here, 1, 5, 5, 4. So Patty Panda ko. And then 3 for my letter money affirmation. And then 1 for little piggy. And we have money affirmation. Keep getting 2. And then we have rainy savings. Again, rainy savings. We have 2. Which one should I add? Okay, I have this one. And I believe I'm done. I'm completed with this. Oh, no, not yet. Not yet. I'm mistaken. We have 4. That is here. Pati Panda coin. And then 4 again. Okay, so Pati Panda. Alright, so let's see. That's the end of our. Okay, let me see. Let's just use this 100 pesos. If we can put it in which lucky envelope. Because I don't want to make this video little longer. Okay, let's start and roll. A 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Patty Panda coin is the lucky envelope for today. Yeah, so we have 120, 35, 45, 47, 147. Let's see. Okay, let me just kind of arrange this. 1, Alright, so let's start with this little piggy. We have 55, 6, 7. That tracker is here and I can add 57. Can actually use one and three. Right. So we have, so each here is 5, so I can add 50, right? No, not percent. Yeah. I have a blue color. I don't have any blue color. So we have 5. I have 5, 10, 15. I hope you guys are doing well. Well, for our family, so I'm still grateful kasi kahit paano, we're still able to eat, right? Pero sadly, we have increased our debt. Kasi nung sa with my requirements here sa school, so that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Now I only need 35, so 38, 39, 40. No, for 10 na lang, 10. Okay, so I can actually color 3 of these. 43. Um, happening. 43, 46, 49. Okay. 49, 50, right? Then I have 5, 7, 7. So I can color 3, 6, another, and just color here 7. Okay, so we can add this here. 10. So we have, okay, by now we have in this little piggy by Sincerely Rock, so we have 50, 70, 80, 5. I know. Okay, I can't count. Sorry. So we have 50, 60, 70, 5, 80, 5, 95, 112, 13, 14, 114. I only owe 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $8 sign. Okay. And I'll be completing this challenge. Ayan. So this little piggy is done for now. And then let's move on to my money affirmations. Okay, so money affirmations, I have 5, 10, 12. So we have here comments not completed. Oh, we have this now. Right, so I don't know how much I have here. Just see. Okay, so I have 5. Okay, 3. I'll be adding 2 to make it 5. So 2, and then 7, yeah, 2, 7, and then 10. Just right. So I have, For money affirmation, I have 20, 30, 40, 5, 50, 2, 4, 5, 55 peso. So I only need 4. 4. I only have 4 letters to complete this challenge. Soon. And then now we have the star of the day. We have Pati Panda Horn, and I have 1, 20, 35, actually 45, 47. And my tracker is, okay, here's my tracker. I'm gonna be adding 147. So with this, I have 10 completed this. So this is 5, yes. Yeah, let's see. Let me see how much I have here because mayroon akong kuha. So I'll be guessing this is 5. And then we have another 10, 20, 30, 20, 30, and then we have this one is for 30 plus 10 times 2 is 20 is 50, and then another 20, that is 70, right? And then we have another 20, so that is gonna be, it's gonna be 90. And the last one, yay, we have 110. Yay, this challenge is completed finally for the longest time. Yeah, and so I just only need to add 110. And so yeah, 110. I think we can roll again. So 110, I should have 200 pesos in this challenge. Let me just arrange this quickly. I don't know if I have 200 here. I don't know. See. If I don't, we will just add and complete 200. So I have 150, 20, 10, 20, 30, 180, 2, 4, 6, 8, 90. 2, no, it's not complete. I think I'm lost. I have 100, 50, 60, 70, 80, 180, 2, 4, 6, 8, 190, 2, 3, 4, 194. Okay, just pull this one and add a 10. Just add a 20. I can pull 10. Ayan. So now I have 150, 20, 30, 40. I have 150, 70, 80, 90, 200 challenge. And this challenge is completed. Yay! I apologize, guys, if I have really my voice is not just my voice sleeping. So yeah, this is complete. This challenge is completed. Done by Ayan. I have 200 pesos here, and this is going to my graduation fund. All of that money. That is. And then we have my this one, rainy day. I have 5, 10, 14. So we have each icon is 5, 10, 14. Start of this challenge. Yeah, and then the last one is school. This is my row budget, and I have this is the least amount, which we're now to 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So each icon is 5, and then now I can cross each one. 2 icons for now. 1, 2. Alright, so I have one here. Okay. Actually, I have an IOU script here, and I can actually add +1 here, +1, +1. This is the IOU I made. Medyo nang ano lang siya. Ayan. So we have, how much we have? Let's see. We have 5, 2, have 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. And let me just condense this. I know I have a 10 here. Then 15. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, so 18. Oh, this should be 20. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, mali lagay ko. Should be 10. So I should have 25, 10, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. I know. Wait, do I have a 20 here? No. Okay, so that's it for this video. Ayan. I don't have an IOU pala. Balik yan siya. Okay, so this is the money that I'll be using for my next show in my next video. And let's see how much we have. 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 30 pesos here. So I'll be using this for my next video. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. As of now, we have started my rainy day save challenge. That is so cute. And then we're working with Little Piggy, and we have completed Patty Panda Coin. We have completed 3 challenges for this day. We have completed $1 savings challenge from Little Helpful Pile, from Savings with Tiger from Wendy Casper, and Patty Panda Coin from Two Hands and Bands. So thank you so much, guys. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for inspiring me for doing this challenge as well. So Lisa Grateful me. She's so wonderful. Yes. And so yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it's kind of a mess. But Yeah. So, and I hope you give this video a like and comment down below if you are doing this challenge from roll the dice from Lisa Grateful Me, and of course, yeah. Yeah. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. God bless. Bye.